You know, 5 or 10 years ago, it was hard to get consumers' attention about energy efficiency, and now, of course, it's more mainstream. People concentrate on solar or on heating systems, but often the building envelope is ignored, and that's sort of a basic that typically is overlooked, and people don't realize that a good building envelope and a good insulation system is a first step to any other kind of efficiency, whether it's a heating system or solar. Because, for example, with a good insulation system, a good building envelope, you can actually downsize your mechanicals, so that's further savings down the line. Energy consumption can be reduced by over 50% just by having a good building envelope.
In terms of sustainability, when they're looking at their insulation system and their thermal barrier system, one of the best things you can do is to reduce the amount of energy you're going to need on an ongoing basis in the home. By using SIPs in this application, it gives you a good insulation, also gives you very little thermal bridging and a very airtight structure. Payback on systems like this is definitely under 7 years at current energy costs, and that payback is just going to get shorter and shorter as time goes by. So think about the return on investment as you're going through those processes. Interior changes in your home later on can be made relatively easily. Things like your thermal and the structure of your home are there for the life of the home, and we want to make sure that the home lasts a long time, for generations, and is a well-performing home throughout that period.
You need to look at three major factors that I would consider to be most vital on an exterior wall. And those three factors would be air leakage, thermal performance of your insulation, as well as the ability to manage moisture on the exterior of the building as well. And so we're actually providing a continuous and monolithic air barrier on the outside of the building, as opposed to trying to accomplish this on the inside, where you run into a lot of floor joists and different problems.